Test drive the 2021 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads, sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.